Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You've logged into your Google account. Now open Google Forms and click the big plus to start. Give your form a clear title and a 1 or 2 line description so respondents know purpose. Once done, pick a theme color and upload a header image to set tone. Make sure to name the form file in Drive for easy retrieval. Begin by adding your first question immediately. This gets the structure in place and avoids losing focus. Next, focus on the core. Add questions and decide how you want answers. You can choose multiple choice, short answer, checkbox, dropdown, or file upload. Each type fits different data. Toggle required when an answer must be given, and group related items into sections to control flow. Use the 3-dot menu to add conditional logic. Direct respondents to different sections based on answers. Insert images or video. You're almost done. Hit preview and complete the form yourself to test every path, then adjust wording or logic as needed. When ready, click Send to share the link, email directly, or embed on a site. Set who can respond in the settings, anyone with the link or only organization users. Monitor the Responses tab or connect to Sheets for analysis. If you don't see replies, make sure permissions allow external responses and ask respondents to check spam or try a different browser.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.